Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from your Facebook account without WhatsApp code, without email code. Without any kinds of code number. You can directly remove your Gmail account from your Facebook account. Actually, whenever we try to remove Gmail account from our Facebook, that time we can see these types of interface come. Check your email, enter the code number that was sent to this Gmail account. And if we don't have access to that Gmail account, that time we don't get code, and that time we couldn't remove our Gmail account, right? So if you face these types of problem, then there is no worry, because today in this video I'm going to show you 100% working process for you. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. And also please follow my this Facebook page, because every day I upload a new video into this page, so you can learn many things from there. And if you have any questions, that time you can ask me into my this Facebook page. So let's start the process. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store, and after that you need to update your Facebook application first. So after updating your Facebook application, just click here open option, then log in your Facebook account, and after that let me click here profile icon, then scroll down and click here settings and privacy, then settings, and click here see more in account center, then click here personal details, then contact information, and I want to remove my this Gmail account. Okay, so let me click the first one, then click here delete email address, and if I click here delete, then you can see this interface will pop up. Okay, so if you don't have access to that Gmail account, that time you can click here try another way, and after that it will give another option, which is WhatsApp. And if you don't have already WhatsApp option in your phone, that time you need to follow my another way, which is let me get back from here, and let me again go to settings and privacy, and after that let me click here notifications, then click here where you receive notification, then click here email, then you can see there are email already available, primary email. So let me click on that one, and if I try to remove this one, let me click here, and if I click here remove, then yes, it will again come in here. Okay, so that's really problematic. So let's go for the final solution, and which is you need to download another application in your phone, which is Chrome browser in your phone, and after that just click here open option, then you need to write here facebook.com, and after that you need to log in your Facebook account into this Google Chrome browser. Then right now click here three dot line, then settings and privacy, then settings, then click here see more in account center, then personal details, then contact information, then that Gmail I want to delete, let me click on that one, then click here delete email, and if I click here delete email, that time you will be surprised. Okay, let me click here delete email, and you can see it asks my Facebook password, but whenever I tried it from my Facebook application, let me show you again, just personal details, then contact information, then email, and if I click here delete email address, then again delete, that time it will give this option, check your email. But from this Google Chrome browser, whenever I try to click here delete, let me click here delete email, that time it will ask for your Facebook password. Okay, so if you give your Facebook password, that time it will automatically remove. Okay, so let me give my Facebook password. So now you can see in here you have deleted your previous email. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can delete your Gmail account from your Facebook account. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.